How many times have you heard that China builds fast, that they have a large workforce, that they copy Western technology? Well, forget about all that because what they are using now has nothing to do with what the rest of the world knows. Stay tuned for this video because you are going to see machines so huge that when you see them for the first time you won't believe they are real. An excavator that devours 96 Olympic swimming pools of dirt per day. A robot that builds entire skyscrapers without human supervision. A dredger that creates islands out of thin air in the middle of the ocean. And these are not prototypes or futuristic projects. These are steel beasts operating right now, literally transforming the Chinese territory. Brace yourself because each machine in this top is more brutal than the last, and when you get to number 1, you will understand why China is building entire cities in months. Number 8. Mountain Terraformer. We start our ranking with a machine so huge that when you see it for the first time, your brain refuses to believe it is real. These bucket wheel excavators that China operates in its mines are literally the size of 20-story buildings, capable of extracting 240,000 cubic meters of earth every single day. Can you imagine filling 96 Olympic-sized swimming pools with earth in just 24 hours? Well, that's exactly what this mechanical beast is capable of. Its giant wheel equipped with dozens of steel buckets rotates constantly, literally tearing away entire layers of soil like peeling an orange. What's even more mind-blowing is that these machines travel on tracks the size of buses and require their own electrical substation to operate. China uses them primarily in Inner Mongolia and Shanxi, where the coal mines are so massive that you need these mechanical monsters. When one of these excavators finishes its job, the landscape has been changed forever. We're not talking about construction, we're talking about literally terraforming the Chinese territory. Number 7. Earth-eating machine. Coming in at number 7 is a mechanical shovel that makes conventional construction equipment look like child's toys. The mega mining shovel stands at over 22 meters tall and can load 75 tons of material in a single scoop, which would be the weight of 12 African elephants with each movement. This machine generates a digging force exceeding 3,000 tons. It can penetrate rocky terrain without the need for prior explosives, something that until recently seemed impossible in large-scale mining. Developed by the state-owned CTIC Corporation, this beast operates in Hordo mines with an efficiency that defies logic. A single operator controls all its movements from a cabin with 360 vision systems, and in an 8-hour shift it can move more material than 50 conventional excavators working simultaneously. What's unsettling is watching it in action. Each scoop rips up tons of earth as if it were sand, creating instant craters where once there were solid mountains. Number 6. Bridge Assembling Dragon. Now we enter absolutely surreal territory. This 580-ton, 91-meter-long machine looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's completely real and it's building bridges all over China right now. The technology behind this behemoth is mesmerizing. It positions itself on top of already installed piers. It lifts a prefabricated beam weighing up to 900 tons. It moves forward with it suspended in midair, positions it with pinpoint precision, and then moves off to repeat the process, all without the need for external scaffolding or cranes. It works like a metal dragon walking on the tracks it builds, assembling the bridge section by section in midair. China has used it to build its impressive 40,000-kilometer high-speed railway network. The most mind-blowing thing is the speed. What would take weeks using traditional methods, this machine completes in hours. When you watch time-lapses of its work, it literally looks like the bridge is building itself, floating in midair piece by piece. Number 5. Drilling Snake. In 5th place is a machine that has achieved the impossible, boring entire tunnels and finishing them in a single pass. These tunnel boring machines are metal cylinders up to 17 meters in diameter that can cut through solid rock at 15 meters per day. Most impressively, while its rotating head devours the rock in front, it automatically installs the lining, lighting, ventilation, and all the tunnel systems behind it. It's like a mechanical snake that creates its own path underground. The Beijing subway project used more than 30 of these machines simultaneously, some operating 50 meters beneath historic buildings without causing a single perceptible vibration on the surface. The largest that China has deployed has a diameter equivalent to a 5-story building. The best part is that once its work is finished, it can be dismantled from the inside or simply abandoned underground, buried forever in its own creation. Number 4. 600-ton mega loader. In fourth place is absolutely brutal. The HCHI FMW L600 isn't just a big rig, it's a rubber leviathan capable of hauling 600 tons of payload. Its tires are 4 meters in diameter, and you need a 3-story ladder to climb into the cab. This machine generates 4,000 horsepower and consumes fuel like a small power plant. But its real trick is its precision. Despite its gargantuan size, it can move with pinpoint accuracy thanks to sensors that adjust each wheel to the terrain. It operates primarily in the megamines of Inner Mongolia, where a single load of its shovel is equivalent to the volume of 10 shipping containers. The most shocking thing is watching it accelerate with a full load. The Earth literally shakes within a 100-meter radius. It's like witnessing a controlled mechanical earthquake, a display of raw power that redefines what heavy machinery means. Number 3. The excavator boat. Third, we have a machine that literally creates territory where there was once only ocean. The Tianquanjiao isn't just a dredger, it's a floating artificial island factory that's changing the face of the world. This 140-meter vessel can dredge to depths of 35 meters and pump material over distances of 15 kilometers. Its tungsten tooth cutter head pulverizes underwater rock while 23,000 horsepower pumps suck up the liquefied material. Most mind-blowingly, it can move 6,000 cubic meters of sediment per hour. That's enough to fill 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools every 60 minutes, running 24 hours a day. China has used this technology to expand islands in the South China Sea, sparking international territorial disputes. But from a purely engineering perspective, we're talking about a machine that doesn't build on land, it creates the land itself. It's like playing God with geography, redrawing maritime boundaries with hydraulic power.
Number 2. A steel ox to move buildings.